closing in on a 7,000 subscribers. Hey, yo, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, subscribe now!
And today I'm cleaning my bike chain for the first time. Got this Motul road chain carrot. So it comes with the chain lube, and it comes with the fucking chain cleaning. It comes with the brush or whatnot. It was like 40 bucks. Let's see, we got fucking sticker. It comes with fucking gloves. Here's the brush, chain clean, chain lube. This is what you'll use at the end. So we're gonna do this section by section. Just go by just like that. We're gonna use this and scrape the shit out of it. And in all my time I've owned this bike, I have like 1,700 miles. I've never cleaned the chain, which is actually not good. So I'm gonna get good cleaning on it. Next part. Okay, now so put the chain clean on, and now we're gonna lube it up right here in this section here. And as we're doing it, we're gonna rotate the wheel as we're spraying. So you wanna make sure you get these wheels on the inside. You don't want it on the outside of the chain so much. I'm not an expert. It's my first time doing this. No, like 2 passes. Oh my god, it's fucking everywhere. Now I'm probably gonna do this like a good wash. Take it outside and clean it. Keep my baby fucking mint, baby.
I wish you would.